guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I need to talk to these people again because they are mumu too much. They are mumu too much. They can't turn a child life and about the biological father come become competition. Who be the one who go submit for the other, who not go submit for the other, who want to dwell in lies, who want to get Facebook stars, who want to get views on the head of one small pikin where they grew up, just because una lack the ability to say it loud and clear, to know where the line need to be drawn, that this is about someone's life. That maybe came out to apologize. Some idiots come out, come they say we are even saying the apology was not good enough. Some idiots come they come out say why she go apologize. Richard Osade, now you born Valerie, now you be promised we'll go buy you double times and will show damn mom. But the wrath of God strike all of now. Evil people from the pit of hell. Evil people from the pit of hell. What they play with somebody's life because of your Facebook stars, because of your comedy, because you want to get callers, you want to get idiots, dejected, frustrated women they call now. What they prepare now to doom. I don't finish work. Work or talk to you. And that's why we won't done. What they recruit. What you they recruit to defend? What are you defending? That's why we won't done. Defending what? Valerie should go to promise. I make you go give us DNA for J-Boy equally. Unda recruiting. Who are you manipulating? Now fools. Now you feel manipulate. Now idiots you they manipulate. It's so painful that people will still look up to you. They wear uniform at the age of 40, almost 40. And they manipulate. Vela not do you. Baby Vela not do you. Make you the drive. Make you the fool those way the fool. And then you go they wear tie. They wear uniform. Wear your beer for your pussy down white. Manipulating, recruiting, recruit the devil, recruit Satan himself. The truth remains that promise. Truth is the father of Valerie, and the truth has come out. When they play with somebody's life, with a pawn, with their Facebook stars, with their Facebook followers, those frustrated women for house who don't die for frustration, where they want saga to think they survive. They talk nonsense. Just look on and says. I say, if not be say work, I thought they do it like Richard. But thank God say I get work. I don't feel be liability like Richard, like Atuari. When they be liability, they day for Facebook 24 hours of the day. They deceive people. They fool people. They fool idiots. One thing that to fool people. One thing that for people to get set. They don't say these people now. They be clown. They be big clown. Atuari a clown. Who are the serious-minded people who go take Atari serious? And now they wear uniform, they wear skirt, like all those Scottish wrestlers in WWE, where they grow up those days. Like Roddy Piper. And now they wear skirt, they wear tie. They full gullible, and those who not go school. Boy come from back of interior village for every part of Nigeria, where Russian flow call Europe. Where they call get access to Wi-Fi. They call you Mommy Monica, Lady Monica, the best thing, the best influencer. In short, you are the worst thing that has ever happened to cyberspace. And remember, they tell you are the worst thing. You are the worst thing. I have political agenda to face. I have Peter Obi things to face, but I go see them give impute about una fully. The stupidity of Richard Osade, the stupidity of Osho shameful mom. And they fight. I stand for KO. I stand for this. The truth remains that Promise Chooks is the father of Valerie. Anybody try to gain popularity out of it is just a foolish idiot. We have spoken. We have spoken. No matter how I found the devil, recruit Satan, Monica recruit. The truth remains. The truth could beat your lies. Go recruit. The fact remains that Maybe is confused because maybe is just being manipulated by the threat of a Wunda, the guitar boy. We not let guitar apprentice. say they fear Saga. Who go kill you? Who Saga help? Shout Saga for that next year. But the truth that will beat all of now. Who they fear Osade Hunda Saga? That liar, that bitch with the roti for hand. You know they see your elbow. That one a human being. Richard, show your elbow for public domain. Make sure your elbow. Show your hand, make sure your hand roti. Go show your hand, make sure see roti. As they do video, camera, if they do live video, person they watch you, look your elbow, make you see as the roti, make you sweat it on that whatever skin care they do to your body. You the rotting by the minutes, you the rotting by the second, you are dying by the seconds. You are just fooling yourself. You they fool depressed people like you. They give their hope so you they live. You are not living. You are a dead man among the living people. Who they say they live? You they live. You don't even life. They sahas, they wait for benefit. Your two malnourished kids, you not take care of their work. They use their money, they buy my shirt, they buy clothes, they live well. How much Facebook they pay you? Can Facebook give you $10,000 every month? What do they do? Idiot, goat. You say they don't agree here. What if you talk to the small? Talk to the small when they hear truth. They don't want to hear truth until you sort nonsense come for their idiotic body. All those dejected fools. They'll go to the call. We support KO family, even Gabon. Even those idiots from Gabon they call. You are supporting KO family until what to still because not be you, but who care anybody from Gabon when they support evil. The mouth of God struggle up when I stand for evil. The truth got to be told. The truth needs to be told, my people. What do you have to everyone recruit? Recruit from now to eternity. Recruit the Uhunda Domumu with a big head. With the baby will be like devil baby. Recruit them. They're not rich. They find recognition from nonsense, supporting evil to steal person picking. Before you know, Promise Truth never talk to her. Then they beg money. That's what you people do. All now know how to do better to come find a means to come beg money for social media. They found now after they don't think how they commit. They found now make they come donate for now because there will be some idiots, gullible fools, depressed fools, human traffickers where market key. Because they pass their cash cruise with stupidity. Because they can't swallow like them again. When they tell us say this bikini not what if a lie, what maybe they talk not be truth. Now say that lie. I start with KO family. That Hundam, shameful mom will come out. They blog. I am the this. Follow me and like as you come. Press the love and like. If possible, share. Press the stars. Hundam goats. Dwelling in a way to just see what is right. All of them use they find money by all means possible. Truth none of it talk. When I want to twist truth, make now go want twist lies to come become truth with my stupid tongue. Rita will go carry guitar. I start with KO family. Now I want to confess. Monica don't bring her posts. Gonna beat you all of them because Monica don't get all of her tapes, don't get all of her record. He put that for cage. Monica don't cage you, won't die. Monica you don't sell your soul, Richard Sade to Monica. Monica don't put you for cage. You can never be free from Monica. Anytime you try to free, Monica will blow everything about you out. That is why when they tell us about to be men of honor, when I say no. Anywhere below face, anywhere they donate small money for now, go there, sell now soul to devil. You rich, I don't say you did Nigeria, that kidnapper, John Leon, you for do worse, passer. You for because hunger for two beat you. You don't for feel work, you for be criminal, and therefore don't catch you, kill you since. If don't kill you since. People without honor. I hope my network is good. I just hope because all these lazy dog ass that they call Monica, you come out, you want to recruit. Recruiting what for what? To defend what? To defend lies. To defend that Promise Truth is not the father of Valerie. Is that what you're recruiting? What are you recruiting? Or to kind of come and straight maybe it's an inconsistent story? Is that what you're recruiting? Maybe is a witch from the pit of hell. She's a liar from the pit of hell. Maybe is indefendable. You cannot defend Maybe. Maybe is a criminal. She can never be defended. We've said it times to that number that maybe is a criminal, inconsistent, very stupid, She not sabi lie. If she lie, you don't know how to back out with another lie. Richard don't even talk to me that maybe Osifo take microphone for a hand. What is Richard going to defend anymore? When Richard don't talk, say maybe they take microphone for a hand. What thing won't that or you want recruit where they can't defend for maybe? It is obvious to the world that maybe is a pathological liar. Seriously obvious to the world. So what is actually coming now to defend, to recruit? Who do they call recruit? All your recruitment you recruit since all the Vera, all the Johnny Buzube, name them. They not run leave you. Who else you want to recruit where go stay with you? Any house where they build on a foundation of soil, which is not solid, will surely fall apart. That's how your own can be. All the ability, they don't stand with you before, they don't run leave you. So what you want to recruit? You never carry the wound down. The Otafe widow carry go your side. Who else you want to carry go again? Otafe widow they your side. Wounda Ugo they your side. Wounda the Mumu they your side. Who else you want again? Who else you want again? Who you want recruit? With the wrath of God, kid that person you want recruit. When you call life for this and those cyber we don't beat people with tough pass them before. Who you want to recruit? With lies? You know, it's not going to work. Maybe has functioned of all it takes to be a relevant figure on this cyberspace or whichever cyberspace, the whole world cyberspace, Nigeria cyberspace, Agbo cyberspace. She has functioned of what it takes to be a person of repute. That we will hear a word say yes. Even if you say good morning, we know we'll look outside whether at night. So what do they call recruits to come do? To come tell us more lies? Go and die with your manipulative, stupid ideas. Won't die to worry. I don't go work my work out today, make I live una for dinner. Look at the sword they go, look at the mumu they go. People they think of better things to do. The world they move, all of them they swore for Facebook, they find who to recruit to support evil, to steal one person picky. Now they recruit. You want to recruit to steal one person picky because you find Facebook money, because you be hustler on Facebook. You don't feel do anything apart from Facebook. They sell lies to Edo people. They sell lies to the world. They sell things of not substance of dignity to the world. That's what you're doing to those. Because you the hustle. Everything that comes will not pass on that. You will go there, pick up, talk about her. Because you want to make money. You're a big fool. For that, for God have mercy. God have mercy. That our people, I don't know, it's sure I don't talk, I don't tire. Heaven will vindicate me that I have spoken extensively to tell how gullible, how foolish you people are. A lot of you people are so foolish that these idiots will come on air to test on our gullibility. This is not how they do patient. Now go there because now stupid. Now go there, go to listen to inconsequential nonsense. Me, I can go pay to go watch actual. Which special? Where there are better books to be read, better ideas to get knowledge from. The internet is wide. Encyclopedia is there. Google is there to Google ideas. I want to hear actually gossip. It's so painful. I'm ashamed of my people. That is why Monkey Face the corner, primary one dropout. I will never forget that fact that Monkey Face always call you people primary one dropout. No get sense. No get sense. I rest my case for the now. I just want to ask one question. I know they shout to. I know one verse ask this question because if I look things, the way things they are food for those cyberspace is seriously not comfortable with me. Because in my last broadcast, in the pain that I was feeling about my people, I made reference to person I'm not supposed to make reference to, as in the words what they say about our people. So if I make mistake there, I just crave you people indulgence to find a way in your heart to forgive me, because I shouldn't have done that. Because I went through my broadcast, I saw that I called Monkey Face into my broadcast, calling some of our people primary one dropout. So it was not intentional. It was just a fluke out of the heat of my emotions, if I may use that word. So seriously, now me come back again because just to make I calm down, do this broadcast briefly, because there are a lot of things happening inside my house now. I will not want to do it inside, so let me just pass them out, which I will come out elaborately to speak on the same topic again. The question I dey ask: what is the hold Atwari get over pit toilet? We be say anytime Atwari is found wanting, pit toilet will be the negotiator, trying to make peace out of where there's no reason for peace to even come out from. Pit toilet will be the one calling everybody. You go call Unda Osadeye, you go call everybody, make them not come out, make them not come talk, because Atwari get hold over all of them. And we they say Atwari not good for us all. Atwari is a monopolist. Atwari doesn't deserve anybody to follow her, because anybody who follow Atwari, he just lost, because Atwari will always use that person as a pawn on a chess board game. Atwari not get respect for nobody. Atwari to believe in herself, because there is no basis for Atwari always coming out. When you see soldiers, let me make an example of your generals. You get generals when they fight battle for you. The next thing, instead of you to go along with the hierarchy of commandship, say, yes, these are my generals, there must be loyalty from bottom to top and from top to bottom. But Atwari not get respect for nobody. She doesn't respect anybody. He not get respect for nobody. She believes say she can come on public domain, come beat anybody that is loyal to her, without giving that person regard, knowing that this person get in your mindset of his or her own before coming to her to come even guide her to come out some bullet for her body. Actually, you just come and just sit down, begin to give broadcasts. They tell people this one, they find fault for everybody. You could just they beat everybody. The most loyal people to her is the people she always come on air to beat, just like she did to Kate. She did it to Richard of recent, because Richard the fear, enough he come and talk. This woman for Spain, Love, they call her Mommy Love. Some people they call her Mugu Love. I no one call her many names, because I used to hold that woman in high esteem, but when she can't go back to Atwari camp, I just look her, never come on air to come talk to her any day, because I dey get reserved for some people. I don't come on air to talk to everybody. Now the worst of the worst, I they come on air can't talk to. The worst, if I say you're all too much, I can't talk to you. But if I say you dey not, the two constitute nuisance like Atwari, I will not come on air to talk to you. The reason I talk to Atwari, because Atwari is the worst thing that has ever happened to Edo cyberspace. The whole Atwari they bully on people. The whole Atwari they bully on people that are loyal to her is uncalled for. Let us call a spade a spade. No matter what. Because Richard the fear, enough he come and talk. Mommy Love for Spain, don't the verse, she they talk. Atwari is found wanting of that. Let us be realistic. What they think? Then some followers go they call her. You did well. These people are devilish. They are pushing Atwari to her doom, no matter what. Even though I don't buy the idea of a Mommy Love to support Atwari in her doom, in her expedition of self-suicide mission, but the way Atwari they disrespect people is uncalled for. It's seriously uncalled for. She they beat her chest every time she comes on air to begin to cast aspersion on everybody's character. She not get an iota of respect for nobody. She believes she's number one. She's on top. She can talk to anybody. She doesn't care how that person feel. It's uncalled for. Seriously uncalled for. Seriously uncalled for. If you not get sense, more than they think. I'm not come here to curse anybody, but I'm just being rational in my judgment. Because I observe everybody accordingly. The way Twari, they go about her expedition. She says she want to recruit. She want to recruit. Who she want to recruit? She go recruit puppies. We not fit talk to her. Because if you get people they follow you, you must respect them, respect their opinion. Then friendship goes sweet. You don't command people. People respect themselves for friendship to be good. But Atwari believes she can command everybody. A woman, they command everybody. They just command. All of them, when I go, they laugh. She is doing well. They praise her to her doom. It's uncalled for. I just think I pass this message of wisdom to now. Because the camp is just breaking. I would have been laughing, say, congratulations to the camp being destroyed, because anything built on lies will surely not stand the test of time. But I just want to pinpoint this area of Atwari over exuberance, over belief on herself. When your lies is obvious to your life is obvious to the world that your life is based on lies, fake, on utters of lies. They come at the rake. You will come at now you want smoothing everything. Now you go smoothing everything. KO family, Richard was fighting for KO. You never came out categorically to fight. When Richard went against KO because of one or two things when he see, but everything a lie. The KO story were all lies. You came out to claim credence that you are the last pillar, whereby you not be pillar. You are not a pillar. Your foundation is equally faulty, based on lies as well. You always come to claim credence, claim authority, claim Odunga. It is not right. Seriously not right, my people. Where can I share this thing? What is coming to Sagbovu you say? I did for that. I did, but in a society where our people not change, which leader can change them? Where they not fit put themselves right among themselves, not fit see truth to talk among themselves. Which Peter Obi, which Buhari, or which Obaseki want put all these lies on the cyberspace? People that will see truth, they will say no. The lies will overshadow the truth. They will see white. They will call her black. And these people they want rule. And I'm taking it from the roots, because I could have just leave them, go straight, begin to the campaign. But I still see some fault in our people. They say a people deserve the kind of leader they get. Our people are so corrupt, so devilish. They are the problem to themselves, not even the leaders. Seriously. Based on what they see among our people, that then be the problem. They no go fit see truth talk. So now leader, it is best for the leader to oppress them, to make them to be slave forever. A people that will see truth, I cannot say it, must be oppressed the eternity. That if these people feel they talk truth, then we will say better leadership. How can you rule people that we see truth, they don't know how to talk, they don't know what to be truth, they know what to be lie? The best language they should understand is oppression. Let them begin to get oppression all the days of their life. That is it. I will not fool myself anymore to fight for freedom of this kind of daft anymore. How do you liberate a mind-settled human being that is doomed for destruction? How does that person understand what you're even telling them? They cannot understand. The only language you understand is oppression, so they must be oppressed. Let them carry themselves to a second round of slavery to the Europeans again. They will be oppressed to eternity and begin to look up to people like Monica to be their savior. Obviously, they can never be redeemed. They never be redeemed. You know, can't waste my energy. Can't they talk about leadership when the people are so corrupt? The people are dangerously so dirty, so stupid. They don't even know anything about leadership. They don't even know. They don't have an altar what it takes to redeem them. So you don't redeem the unredeemable. No, me, I don't get energy for that anymore. I did it some time ago, but I dey watch. If I dey look, I dey see the root of the problem. Our people don't need redemption. They don't need redemption. So let them continue with their saga on those cyberspace. I will be here to give them input. Maybe they fool themselves, maybe they find redemption. They will be enslaved to eternity. 200 years, they will never be free. They are going back to second time of slavery. This time around, not be say the Europeans come take warship, carry gun or Bible, come meet them again. That they voluntarily surrender themselves to the Europeans. That they voluntarily give themselves back. Thank God say this woman don't win for Italy. Thank God she has won. Go block that road. Make all of them make the day house. Make the day house. They not fit come again. Make they go Asura go the fight. Or make they go Agadas go die. Make they go die for Agadas. How can a generation of young Africans, vibrant bloods, be just giving themselves mass deportation to Europe? The ones who go die for Mediterranean Sea, the ones who go die for desert. Vibrant youths are killing themselves because they don't get what it takes to fight for their freedom back home. They don't get the redemption. Say Europe is not the salvation for them. Every fool think Europe is the land of opportunity, whereby we are the bedrock of Europe. Because these people lack education, lack the where without they're not empowered to know right from wrong. These same people come here, they look actually to be a savior. I'm just saying this because of you coming the review, because my intellectual prowess is too tight for all these things. I will not indulge in this mental intricacies, because for me to come on air on the fight to emancipate our people, it involves energy, mental energy. But the way that they fool themselves, they begin to lose hope upon their lives. May they call Europe, may they come become slaves again. May they come become nuisance, mental trauma. Those who even past Libya, past the Mediterranean Sea, come Europe. They don't get what it takes to survive in a sane society. They are mentally traumatized. They need rehabilitation, but the Europeans will not rehabilitate them because they want them to be traumatized and be sick, not to know them they are left from their right. It will not help them. They will just let them be. Give them one small assistance so they don't leave, but that is not the redemption Africa needs. We got to salvage Africa, not for idiots to come through Europe. They can't give their Wi-Fi to come they prepare idiots like Atwari. Or to come become single mother all over Germany. They drive their baby fathers out because of benefits. What kind of slavery Africans they put themselves again? On the good day, we'll get to that discussion, because I have a topic about that. Because this whole thing is about second round slavery of Africans. Africans in the interior villages that are not well read, that have been frustrated based on poverty, which the government of the European the Western world gave to our leaders, because it's all about the bourgeoisie, survival of the fittest, and a lot of people are impoverished in the rural communities. These same people, based on their frustration, they either choose to die or to survive. Based on that, they put their life at risk to cross the Mediterranean Sea. When they come here, what do those kind of people have to offer to project the black race in a positive aspect? Obviously, zero. They don't have it. They cannot give it. They see these people as a savior, whereby these people, where they are number one oppressor. These people put them in the abject poverty they are today. The European government never made Africa to work. It was a master plan for Africa to remain subordinate, not to project, to move. If Africa moves, the European economy will collapse. If Africa can fix Africa, if we Africans can fix Africa, I promise you, there will be no Europe. Africa will be like heaven, because we have it all. The resources, the gold, the silver, the diamonds, Sierra Leone, Congo, petroleum, gas, we have it. So what is making Africa not to survive? Because the colonial masters made this master plan to keep us in perpetual subjugation and perpetual poverty, just to have some few allies to put us in perpetual poverty. Not be my area of discussion. Not be that one. The one I want to talk down. Why? I just say make I talk to Comrade, because I think you can reason with me based on this intellectual diversion I went to. I think you can understand me. Not everybody here, if you understand my argument, because some of them are seriously not equipped enough to understand me. My argument be say, why is Monica having a hold over pit toilet Iviroba? Anytime Monica actually, they say she be Odunga, person will not go school for Nigeria, will not pass through any school, where by now because they tell us say in they go school for UK, primary school or whatever, adult school. These are the people, these are the person our people key to, so now be their best thing to look up to. It pains me. That's why I come on air talk say, obviously it is absolutely not acceptable from my own school of thought. I will not agree, I will not concur. Those wake up. Those in diaspora, wake up. Discard Monica. Monica is a fake, and her agenda doesn't mean well for us all. I rest my case for dinner. Make her go sleep. Tomorrow morning I will start work 4:30. I want to rest. Have a good night.